Welcome to the show. Let's talk to Connor Campbell, financial analyst for Spreadex. Morning to you, Connor.
Morning.
Let's talk about Wall Street, the Dow. We're coming into reporting season. Key events with a rate hike increasingly likely. I think it's a 90% chance, I read. Can the Dow keep hitting new highs? Question mark. FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday. US inflation and retail sales on Friday. What a magnificent looking chart.
Yeah, no, it's been fantastic. You know, we've seen, say last year and the year before, whenever there was talk of a rate hike, the Dow would, get a serious case of the jitters and seriously stumble. This year, however, especially in the last couple of months, increasing chatter about rate hike, like you were saying, it's almost locked on in December now. I think if those US inflation retail sales figures on Friday see the expected increase that they're meant to see, then, I think that 90% increase, that 90% chance is going to get to 95%. I think we are looking at a rate hike in December. However, the Dow Jones so far has taken it in its stride, hasn't really paid attention to it, isn't bothered by it, by the Fed raising rates. The fact that they've now done it before, I guess previously it was, the first hike in X amount of time. This time it's less of a shock. However, it is going to be interesting to see in the next couple of months, especially November and December, whether the Dow Jones can keep, its sort of steady climb towards 2,300, or whether it begins to drift away, begins to, maybe trade around 22,500. Our clients have been selling just under that 22,800 mark. I think they are looking for perhaps, the focus on the dollar to, if not drag it lower, then at least cause it to stagnate a bit more and bounce around the between, say, 2,700 and 2,800. We've seen periods in the past, you can see sort of towards the end of August, it's all bouncing around the 21.7 mark, 21,900 mark. Granted, it's then added 1,000 points in the last month or so. Yep. But I think our clients are looking for it to slow down somewhat in the coming weeks. Also, you've got the start of earnings season soon. I think JP Morgan report on Thursday. How that goes in the next month or so as well is going to, I guess, dictate how the Dow Jones performs towards the end of the year.
Understood, Connor. Thank you very much indeed.